Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna be stupid this week.
Dad.
Shut up. Oh jeez, and here's my little sister.
Hello. Hello.
Your little sister.
Hello.
Alrighty, we have Caden as the driver. I have Haley as my recorder. Please do this right, because you know how to record.
I will try.
Alright.
I'm pretty good at this, actually.
Get on the island. Why are you shutting off for no reason? No, I'm not, yeah, whatever.
Shut up. Don't tell my brother I said it. Tell him, shut up. Don't tell him. Okay. Alright. I'm getting ready to look. Oh, there he went. Oh. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Gonna like try to follow them.
Oh, no.
Go! Go! What is this? What is this? I'm running! Ah! Alright.
Caden, really?
I thought you told me to go.
No.
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
That happens with his driver all the time.
I don't need it that close.
You'll snip it off! I gotta be quiet. Yeah, my brother's like corner or whatever, because I'm like pretty good with the camera. I've had a YouTube video, but my mom had to like, my mom made me delete it, so.
We don't have any to help us out with this, but we only got me.
Go, go! Oh, you lifted up. Oh, where's the puppy over there? Look at the puppy. The puppy. All right, let's get to the video. Hello. We're getting ready to do this. Woo! I'm crazy. Why am I even on this? Okay.
Watch the tires.
Just get back on the back. There you go. Hey, it's getting pretty well.
I don't like you holding on that. That's about to fall off.
I can't get brake. The only thing that's not to work.
Huh? This is the only thing that works. You can't get grip on this.
Once I will pause the video.
No.
Like, they're arguing. Why do people want to see this on a video?
Stop, Haley.
People like arguing.
No, people like
Bye.
stupidity.
Bye. Just
Wait,
kidding. Just kidding.
Get off. What are you doing?
Shut this off. Why would you do this?
I don't. You know what? I'm just gonna walk away. I'm walking away. I am not just gonna deal with this. They're being like, you know what? I'm gonna pause this video until they're ready. All right, camera's on. All right, guys, when I do this, that means camera. 3, 2, 1, action! What the heck? All right, close. There we go. Ah, okay. Gonna get the shot. Okay.
Alright, Sam.
It took the hole. See? It's pretty big. Oh, crap, it smells. Like burnt rubber. What? Do not do anything super duper freaky crazy. Okay? Hold on.
Sit down.
I am.
There we go.
Oh, my backpack. All right. Woo, bumpy ride.
Alright, guys, we're taking a cruise.
Got it. Shush.
holes.
Yep, 2 tires. Ooh.
Man, I'm so... Well, I don't know how long we'll record this, but we're gonna gather our friends for part 2.
You have to talk louder.
I can hear just fine. They can hear me over the camera. It's not hard. And Caden's doing something stupid. I don't know what he's doing.
Where are we going now?
I don't care. You figure it out.
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. But just make sure it's not too far.
Sorry, Marsh.
Ah, okay. Oh, by the way, we have free cats. So if you'd like one, please take one.
Yeah. We really like new... Oh, crap.
Ah, you got your finger.
We really would like to get rid of these cats. They're
Well,
really
like
getting
Grandma,
annoying.
Grandma. Okay, I'll tell you all of them. Put the camera this way so they can like actually like put their camera sideways.
Oh, jeez.
Alright. Alright, there's this kitten in winter. She's all white, bright blue eyes. And her twin, the black
Alright, session. We're going to the front view. We're going to the front view. Okay, how's it going up there? How's it going? Oh, it hurts.
Not really. It doesn't.
Not across the street.
You can't go there. Why?
I didn't ask Grandpa.
Yeah. You don't ask my grandpa. Yeah. My grandpa's strict, people. My grandpa's strict.
Oh, God. Please don't tell me you're going to do burnout.
No.
Take it, Caden.
No.
Go, Caden, go.
Help!
Go. Great job, Caden.
Okay, give me a camera.
Great job, Caden. Yeah, great job. I think I messed the part camera up. Oh, shit, hold on. Oh, jeez. I think we're good.
Okay, give me the camera back. Thanks. Give me I know how to do a camera. This is how